Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Clash of Clans app. To not fix or how to solve freezing on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Not here, you go to Clash of Clans game. As you see here, you can go. Then you can enter to for stop. As you see, and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.